Hello, welcome to another full-length instructional recipe for the Faceless Chef UK. Today's recipe is a rich, creamy Moorish camembert parcel with an orange and cranberry sauce, a stick-to-your-ribs crowd pleaser, one that is definitely for the cheese lovers. Enjoy the recipe and ensure you carefully watch to the end of the video to see all ingredients and hear all instructions. We start by making the cranberry and orange sauce. This can be made well ahead of time and stored in an airtight container or mason jar, which will last upwards of 2 weeks. We place around 500 grams of cranberries in a pan. I used frozen on this occasion, alongside the juice and zest of 2 whole oranges. Adding to this 3 tablespoons of caster sugar. Now the important part, once this is cut, is to decide whether you would like it a little sweeter. If so, add caster sugar another tablespoon at a time. I quite like the bitterness of cranberry sauce and therefore do not want it over sweet. We simmer this in a pan for around 10 minutes or until the cranberries start to burst. We can then let this cool before placing it in the mason jar and placing in the refrigerator. To make the parcels, we take a whole camembert wheel weighing around 250 grams and carefully slice the top rind, ensuring we do not take too much of the cheese with it. After doing this, we'll whisk 3 eggs in a bowl, before taking half a 500 gram block of puff pastry. On this occasion I do suggest pre-made, it's just as good as making your own, and we roll this out on a floured surface. It needs to be around the thickness of a 1 pound piece, enough to encase the camembert. Gently placing the wheel just short off centre, we then top our cheese with some of the cranberry sauce before adding some fresh thyme. Additionally, you may wish to add a drizzle of honey, or for a little kick to cut through the richness of a dish, some diced chilli. We then fold the pastry over the cheese, fully encasing the cheese and the sauce. We crimp our edges together to ensure it is fully sealed. We then brush this with egg wash mixture, put a couple of slices on the surface of the pastry to allow heat to escape during the cooking process, and sprinkle a little more additional thyme. We then place this in a preheated 200°C oven for around 20 minutes until the pastry has risen and is a nice golden brown. This is an absolutely delicious recipe, but with a warning. It is extremely rich. You may wish to have something savoury on the side or something with a nice spicy kick. I like to use a sauce from a Daddy Cool's chili sauce range with this. The link will be underneath in the description, or some paprika wedges. Thank you very much for watching. If on Facebook, please feel free to comment, share, save or follow the page. Remember, my videos do appear first on YouTube, so make sure to subscribe over there. If you are on YouTube, please leave a comment, hit that subscribe button and help us on the journey to 1,000 subscribers. Make sure you hit that notification button to see more weekly videos. Stay healthy and see you next episode.